Hello everyone and welcome to the session 9 of unit 3 estimation in machine shop. Myself Muhammad Imran. So let us move into the solutions. Find the time taken to prepare the job according to the dimension as shown in figure from the bar of 3.5 centimeter dia and 6 centimeter long. Assume the following data. Cutting speed for turning and boring is 20 meter per minute. Cutting speed for drilling is 30 meter per minute. Feed for turning and boring is 0.2 millimeter per revolution. Feed for drilling is 0.23 millimeter per revolution. Depth of cut not to exceed 3 millimeter. So this is the figure given. So the bar is given is of 3.5 centimeter dia and 6 centimeter long. So this is 6 centimeter long, but the bar dia is 3.5, so it is 3 mm here. So initially you have to make a turning operation. So you have to turn it for 3.5 centimeter to 3 centimeter. After that you have to make a drill operation here. So drilling operation you have to make it in 2 steps. So in the initial step you have to drill a hole of 20 mm dia for a length of 20 plus 20 40 mm. After that you have to make another drilling operation with a 25 mm dia. The depth of the dia is 20 mm. So first step is to reduce the diameter, so external turning. To reduce the diameter, because the given bar is of 35 mm dia, so you have to reduce it for 35 mm dia to 30 mm. So So first step, so the bar is given of 35 mm dia. So here the finished operation we require 30 mm dia. So you need to turn the outer dia, the external turning, for a length of 60 mm. The 5 mm metal has to be removed. So the maximum depth of cut is 3 mm. So that means in one cut it is possible to reduce 3.5 to 3 centimeter dia. So 100 S by pi d. So S is cutting speed for turning is 20 and diameter is 3.5 mm. Initially the workpiece is of raw material is of 3.5 mm dia, so it will rotate it with that speed. So RPM will be 182 RPM. So length of cut is 60 mm, that is 6 centimeter. Feed is 0.02 centimeter per revolution and the RPM is 182. So we got it as T1 at equals to 1.6 minute. So this is for turning operation. Next drilling operation is there. So in the first step you have to drill the 20 centimeter dia, 20 millimeter dia for a length of 40 mm. So length of the hole is 40 mm, so that is 4 centimeter, and the cutting speed and everything is 30 meter per minute, and the diameter of the hole is 2 centimeter. So here no need to you should take the diameter of the drill bit, not the diameter of the workpiece for drilling operation. So 2 centimeter you have to take. 100 S by pi into D is 2, so 477 RPM. Then time for drilling is length of to be drilled is 4 centimeter, and the feed per revolution is 0.2023 centimeter per revolution. RPM is 477. The time for drilling is 364.364 minute for first operation. So in the second operation you have to drill a hole of 25 mm dia for a length of 20 mm, so 2 centimeter length. So 100 S by pi d3. So now we are using a drill bit of 2.5 millimeter. So you have to take the d3 as 2.5. So 100 S by pi d. So this is done by using uh, boring operation. So for boring operation we are making this is a boring operation here, not the drilling operation. So for boring operation, so yes, mentioned as cutting speed as 20 meter per minute, and for boring operation we have to take the diameter of the workpiece, not the diameter of the tool. So diameter of the workpiece, we are rotating, see it is rotating, the hole is rotating at a 20 rpm. So diameter you have to take as 2 here. So 100 s cutting speed for boring is 20 meter per minute. 20 meter per minute, and feed is 0.02 centimeter per revolution. Length of cut is 100 s by pi d3, so pi into 2 mm. So length of cut is 2 centimeter. Feed per revolution is 0.02 rpm. rpm is 318, so total time is 0.314. So total machining time will be 1.6, 0.364 and 0.314. Here why you are taken DV, because the workpiece will be inserted in this hole. So this hole you have to take, not the diameter of the tool, outer dia, because we are not making the turning in outer dia. We are inserting the tool inside the workpiece. So inside workpiece we have a drilled hole of 2 centimeter. So that you have to take here, 2 centimeter. So you should not confuse with this diameter. Why you have taken D3 as do. So T3 equals to 2 divided by 0.02 into 318, that will give you 0.314 minutes. The total machining time will be 1.6, 0.364 and 0.314, 2.278 minutes. Next, it is desired to manufacture 100 bolts per day from a MS bar. Length is 10 centimeter and diameter is 25 millimeter. The bolt has the following dimension. Diameter of the shank is 1.2 centimeter. Diameter of the head is 20 millimeter. Thickness of the head is 10 millimeter. Length of the bolt is 10 centimeter. Length of the threaded portion is 3 centimeter. So feed for turning is 0.2 centimeter per revolution. Cutting speed is 20 meter per minute, and cutting speed for threading is 10 meter per minute. So this is the bolt has to be manufactured, 100 bolts. So this is the dimension. 2 centimeter is the diameter of the head, and width is diameter of the width of the nut is bolt head is 1 centimeter. And this diameter of the shank is 1.2 centimeter. This is also 1.2 centimeter, and the diameter or length of the bolt is, length of the thread is 3 centimeter. Face to face length is 10 centimeter. The depth of cut minimum is 3 millimeter. Pitch of thread is 2.5 mm. Number of cuts required for threading is given as 6. Calculate the machining time for 100 bolts. If the operator is paid at the rate of rupees 4.25 per hour, estimate the labor charge considering other allowances for cutting etc. as 100%. So allowance has taken as 100% of the machining time. So this is the bolt we have to manufacture. So every time we require this figure because to understand clearly what operation we are doing. So given diameter bar is 25 mm dia and 10 centimeter long. So length of the raw material given is 25 mm dia and 10 centimeter long, out of which bar you have to make this bolt. So there are many operations will come, turning and step turning, and the threading operation will come here. So in the first step, reducing the diameter. So given raw material is of size 2.5 centimeter and 100 centimeter 100 millimeter long, that is 10 centimeter. So you have to reduce this diameter is to 2.5 centimeter to 2 centimeter, because this head is 2 centimeter. We can cut maximum of 3 mm here. The depth of cut is maximum is 3 mm. 3 mm, that means we can cut maximum 6 mm in a diametrically. So we can cut this in first one cut only, reducing the diameter from 2.5, that is raw material size, to 2 centimeter, because our bolt head is of 2 centimeter. So for a length of 10 centimeter. So number of cut required is 1, and 100 s by pi d. S is for turning we have 20 meter per minute. Pi d diameter, the initial diameter is raw material is 2.5. So we will get RPM as 257.6 RPM. Length of the cut is 10. So feed is 0.2. RPM is net. So 0.196 minute is required from finishing 2.5 centimeter to 2 centimeter for a length of 10 centimeter. In the next step, reducing the diameter from 2 to 1.2 centimeter. So this diameter of the shank is now is 1.2 centimeter. So there are two cuts required. So in the first cut, because our maximum depth of cut is 3 mm, so we can diametrically we can cut 0.6 mm, 0.6 centimeter or 6 millimeter. So in the first cut we require two cut here, because in maximum we can cut 3 millimeter, that is 0.3 means 0.6 centimeter we can cut. So in the first cut we can reduce this diameter from 2 to minus of 2 minus 0.6, that is 1.4 centimeter, but our finished size is 1.2 centimeter. So it requires two cut. So initial stage, in the initial step you have to cut reduce the diameter from 1.2 to 1.4 centimeter. So after that 1.4 to 1.2 centimeter. So two cuts are required. So for first cut 100 s by pi d, the raw material will rotate at a speed of 2 centimeter. So you have to take 2 centimeter here. So everything remains same, 100 s by pi d. So s is for cutting, for turning is cutting speed is 20. So we'll get 318.3 rpm. So time for turning is T equals to length of cut is just we require the length is should not be 10 centimeter now. So this is finished to our size. So only left with this length. So 10 minus of 1 centimeter is 9 centimeter. The length of the turning is 9 centimeter. So 9 divided by 0.2 into 318.3 rpm. So 0.141 minute. So this is time required for finishing from 2 centimeter to 1.4 centimeter. Next step is you have to reduce 1.4 centimeter to 1.2 centimeter for the same length of 9 centimeter. So 100 s by pi d. So d here you have to take it as 1.4, because we have finished it from 2 to 1.4. So the workpiece will rotate at a RPM with 1.4 centimeter dia. So you have to take 1.4 centimeter dia here. So 100 into s divided by pi into 1.4 will get 454.95 rpm. So time required is 9 divided by 0.2 into this rpm. So we'll get 0.9 minutes. The total time for this step is 0.14 plus 0.1, that is 0.241 minute. So this is the second step. So next step is, final step is threading operation. So we have threading operation of 3 centimeter length and diameter is 1.2 centimeter. So RPM here is 1.2 centimeter. The workpiece will rotate with a 1.2 RPM. So 100 s, 100 for cutting, for threading the cutting speed is different, that is 10 meter per minute. So 100 into 10 meter per minute, pi into 1.2 dia, because we have finished it from 2 to 1.2 now in the previous step. So the workpiece will rotate at a speed of 1.2 diameter. So 265 rpm is for threading operation, rpm for threading operation. Length of the thread is 3 centimeter. Pitch is given as pitch is given in the problem as 0.25. So it is mentioned. The pitch of the thread is 2.5, that is 0.25 centimeter. So 0.25 centimeter. N3 is, we have got it as 265. So time required for threading is 0.045. So for 6 cut, so it is also mentioned, number of cut is also mentioned for threading 6 cut. This is the time required for 1 cut. So for 6 cut, 6 multiplied by 0.045, that is 0.272 minutes. So total time for machining is T1, T2, T3. This is for turning, this is also for turning, and this is for threading operation. So total time will be 0.709 minutes for one bolt. So we have to manufacture 100 such bolts. So 100 divided by this minutes will give 70.9 minutes. So considering the 100% allowance, that is setting allowances or personal allowance, we required extra 100% extra time for same time. So 100% means 17.9. So total time taken by the operator is, this is the machining time, this is the allowance time. The total time will be 141.8 minutes. So that is 2.36 hours is required to manufacture 100 boards. So but labor cost is per hour is 4.25. So he requires 2.36 hours. So for 100 boards he requires, he need to pay labor cost as 10.044 rupees. 10.044 rupees, that is 2.36 hours he need for machining 100 bolts. So he has paid a cost of 4.25 rupees per hour. Per hour charges is 4.25 hours. So he requires 2.36 hours. So 4.25 into 2.36, that will give you 10.044 rupees. So you have to pay a labor cost of 10.044 for 100 bolts. To calculate the machining time required to prepare a square prism on a milling machine from a round block of 90 mm length and 40 mm diameter. The feed is 25 mm per minute and setup and indexing time is 15 minutes. Take table travel as 10 mm. There is a round bar of 40 mm round shaft is there. From that round shaft you have to make a square by indexing. So indexing means converting the outer surface into equal number of parts. Since it is a square, the square has 4 sides, so indexing is 4 times. We require 4, number of indexing will be 4, and the length of cut is 90 mm. The feed is 25 millimeter per minute, that will be 2.5 centimeter per minute. So 2.5 centimeter per minute will be the feed, because it is given in millimeter. So convert this into centimeter, that will become 2.5 centimeter per minute. So total table travel is 10 millimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. So length of the cut is 90 plus 10 mm. So table over travel, this is a table over travel, this extra table travel is 10 millimeter. After finishing, for finishing it requires 10 mm extra movement. So that is actually the approach or overrun he has mentioned in the problem as 10 mm. So the length of the workpiece is 90 mm. So extra movement he has to add to in order to cover the total length of cut, that is 90 plus 10 mm, that is 100 millimeter. So 10 centimeter the total length of the cut. The total length of cut, the time is given by length of cut divided by feet per minute into number of cuts for indexing. So length of cut we have 10 centimeter. So feet per minute has mentioned as 25 millimeter per minute, that is 2.5 centimeter per minute, into number of cuts or indexing is 4. So 16 minutes is required for milling operation. So we have to extra indexing time. So to turn the outer surface into 4 equal parts, we need 15 minutes. So you have to add this 16 minutes with 15 minutes, that will give you the total time, that is 31 minutes is required for finishing the round bar of 40 mm dia into the square bar. Thank you for watching.